Oh my god. Hi. Ow. So I'm not really sure why I look like this. It might not seem like I haven't talked to you guys in a while, but I feel like it has literally been an entire, like, month since I've actually recorded a video. Obviously that's not the case, but I have been through it the last week or so. I got coronavirus. Yeah. I am the biggest procrastinator that I have ever met in my entire life. I might be biased because it is me and I tend to talk negatively about myself a lot. I'm the kind of person that signs up for one single summer class and doesn't do any of the work all semester long and does everything the second before the semester ends. I'm the kind of person that studies for a test in the class before the class that the test is in. What other kind of person am I? Oh, I'm the kind of person that gets coronavirus, is a week into quarantine, and has been locked up in her room for a whole week. Hasn't done anything but lay in her bed, watch 3 different series on Netflix. That was fun. Oh, and take random naps sporadically throughout the day to avoid boredom. I haven't done anything productive in so long and I'm going insane. My room has been a mess for honestly as long as I can remember. I can't remember the last time that my room was clean, and it's actually pissing me off. The entire time that I have been sick and just like sitting in this literal filthy mess, I have been just looking at the ground, just, you know, watching my 7th hour of Netflix for the day, and then little glance over and I'm like, holy shit, I still need to do something about this. And I just didn't. Obviously, I had coronavirus, which I'm going to be filming a completely separate video talking about my experience with COVID-19 because honestly, I think it's a little bit interesting. I'm doing better. Keyword, better. Not good yet. Okay, basically, I'm going to go downstairs. I'm gonna get some water because my throat is currently drier than the, what's that one desert? The desert. The popular desert.
I didn't get that.
What didn't you get?
I'm pretty satisfied with what I've got. Sahara Desert.
Sahara Desert. Okay, my mouth is drier than the Sahara Desert, so I'm gonna go get some water and then I'm gonna clean my room. Hey guys, so does anyone remember when I said I was a really bad procrastinator? Well, it's literally been like 45 minutes of me watching TikTok and I'm finally ready to start cleaning my room. If you guys are wondering where my sports bra is from, it's like this cute dual layered emerald green thing. One and only Gymshark. So here's my door. You walk in my door and this is what you see. Really good. We love these vibes. Oh, sorry, didn't see all of these clothes here. Pretty freaking bad, really bad. Let's get started with this bucket of clothes. I'm gonna bring that downstairs and start the laundry. You guys saw how many dirty clothes that was. That one hamper is probably at least 3 loads. I just loaded it up and this is still how full it is. But I came down here and I was pleasantly surprised by another huge laundry basket that is nearly full of clothes that have been sitting in here since before March. It's like winter clothes that I wore to school. I know what you're thinking. She's procrastinating again. I just want to eat my Go-Get Squeezed. I'm gonna start this process by picking up all of the clothes that are on my floor, which obviously there is a lot of them. I think once I get that out of the way, it'll look a lot less overwhelming. So a majority of these clothes are clean. They were all nicely folded right over here, just waiting desperately to be put away.
Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she...
So it's probably been about 20 minutes and I finished putting all the clothes away and my room already looks so much better, so much more open. I have another full laundry basket. I thought that most of the clothes were clean and then I realized I had dirty clothes in my bathroom floor and dirty clothes on my closet floor. So go ahead and I'm gonna organize this little corner of my room. I am going to be doing a cleaning out my closet video very soon. That's why I'm not really going into depth with like the clothing part of this video, just because I have another video all dedicated to like cleaning my clothes, organizing my closet, all of that coming soon. But I just want you guys to know you guys can follow my Poshmark, because when I do clean out my closet, which let me tell you, this is going to be my biggest closet clean out I think I've ever done. There's so much stuff that I'm trying to get rid of. Please follow me on Poshmark. Literally go follow it right now so that when I do post all of the items I'm getting rid of, you guys can be the first ones to be notified. So I have organized the bags that were in the corner. Garbage, a bunch of shoes. I don't know how those shoes got up here. Don't even get me started with what's going on over in this area.
That ended with life when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists.
From first glance, it doesn't really look like I did anything right there. My door again, you walk in and now this is what you see. Obviously, it's still very messy and there's still a bunch of junk in here. Basically, this is all cleared up. My closet is all cleared up. It's obviously still very messy. Like, I don't know what's going on over there. Don't know what's going on over here. But we've made a decent amount of progress. I've literally been doing this for like almost 2 hours, believe it or not. Basically, what I'm trying to say is I am not finishing this tonight. This is going to be a project that extends into tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, probably at like 4 p.m. I'm guessing. Hey guys, it is the next day and it's currently really late. It's like 5:47 p.m. I'm gonna get to cleaning my room now, and then yeah, I'm just gonna clean my room. I'm gonna start with bringing this downstairs. This is my laundry basket that I filled up last night. I'm going to bring this downstairs and I'm gonna bring all of those shoes downstairs. And we're gonna move on to this little corner of my room.
So one day I'll be stomping on stages, but right now we're just dancing in the basement. Right inside.
There's literally hair. That's so disgusting. I'm gonna vacuum, so don't worry.
The basement, said it's 4 a.m.
Oh, wait, looks better.
Still with wavy tweaking bases. Learn this shit ourselves on my own time. I made shifts. Shooting for the moon, gon' turn this Honda to a spaceship.
Yeah, that's literally it. Like, it's clean now, I guess.
Shorty want fuck with me. I just want get some rain and sleep. Shit a little free, yeah. Say what I want, then I get what I want. It's too easy, yeah. Baby, you know I'm a G. I gotta double them C's. She wanna put it on me. Used to sit inside my room, living through some interviews. So
I have all of my surfaces cleared off and I kind of organized like the top of my vanity over here. Right now, I'm going to switch out my bed sheet. I bought a new sheet. It's right here.
About the school, I knew I had to make some moves. Got that pressure on me, turn anxiety to diamonds. Demons make it hard to close my eyelids. Told my brothers when
Ow!
we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this. That ended with life when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on stages, but right now we just dancing in the basement. Fuck that, when I get that paper, I'm gonna keep a strap. Fuck you.
What's up, guys? I'm back. It's been a little bit. It's like 9 o'clock now. I finished like actually picking up all of the junk that was around my room, and then I vacuumed. I shook out all of my rugs in like my room and in my bathroom, which was a task. My hair and like little fuzz and like stuff always gets like stuck on them because they're like, I don't know, rugs. So I shook them all out and then I vacuumed, and you guys saw me like wipe down my counters. I think that's pretty much it. I made my bed, which this orange pillow will be the death of me. It like has all of this like yarn stuff and it literally just sheds. And it was like a $60 pillow from Urban. And it literally just like gets all over these white pillowcases and it pisses me off. Hi everybody. So it's actually literally so much later. It's like midnight or even 1 o'clock. I don't know. It's 1 o'clock. It's 1:12. I know I've literally procrastinated so much during just this bit alone. And that just proves to you guys, I literally don't know how to do anything. Pretty much all I need to do though is move this into my closet and then put like that shirt away. And that's it. Outfit of the day, I'm wearing a sports bra and boxers.
I can't let nobody go and take my stacks. But you saw us, bet you can go.
I don't know what to do with this.
When somebody knows I can't look back.
I put off making a cleaning my room video for so long because I didn't want to do it before I filmed my room tour, but I just decided to. Let me know in the comments if you still want a room tour and have me like go more in depth about where everything is. And I did film like the process of me redoing my room. So if you guys still want to see that, like the whole process of me redoing my room into this, comment down below. Here's my door. You walk in my room and here's what you see. So we have got my bed area. That was a mess before. And then over here, so much better. This still looks kind of gross, but like I don't have anywhere to put my ring light and my tripod. It literally just looks so much better. I'm so happy with it. But yeah, look how nice everything looks. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Don't forget to subscribe. I don't know. Follow my Instagram. Let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in seeing that coronavirus video, my experience with coronavirus, and then also let me know if you guys want to see a video all about me redecorating my room and a room tour of this room, even though you've already seen it. But like, I don't know, maybe you want to see it. And like a bathroom tour. My bathroom's cute when it's not disgusting. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.